Automation once meant robots on factory floors. Now, AI is in the office, taking on cognitive work once reserved for humans. AI drafts legal briefs, writes code, and creates marketing campaigns, tasks that require creativity. This is a fundamental shift in how we work. The rise of agentic AI demands a complete redesign of work. The question now, how do we best work alongside intelligent machines? AI is reshaping organizations, replacing rigid hierarchies with agile, cross-functional teams. Teams now blend data scientists, AI specialists, HR, and frontline staff, designing systems where AI handles routine tasks. Demand grows for creativity, judgment, and emotional intelligence. Teams are now a mix of employees, freelancers, and AI agents. Collaboration and adaptability are more valuable than ever. Leading companies are already making AI-driven organizational change a reality. JP Chase uses AI to review complex loan agreements, saving hundreds of thousands of hours and letting legal experts focus on negotiation and risk management. Unilever redesigned recruitment by integrating HR and IT, using AI to screen candidates and conduct initial interviews, reducing bias and freeing recruiters for strategic work. Walmart, facing massive workforce transformation, invested in education and training through its Live Better You program and Walmart Academies, helping employees adapt and advance. These companies don't just install new software, they redesign workflows, invest in people, and create new roles for humans to work alongside AI. The focus is on augmenting human capability, not just replacing tasks. Success comes from thoughtful integration, training, collaboration, and a clear vision for the future. AI is a catalyst for building more resilient, innovative organizations. The lesson, technology alone isn't enough. People are at the heart of successful transformation. The future belongs to companies that blend AI with human expertise. The AI transition brings anxiety and uncertainty for workers, as automation threatens familiar roles and career paths. Job polarization is real. Routine skills lose value, while demand rises for creativity, problem-solving, and leadership. The solution is massive investment in reskilling and continuous learning, not just technical training, but also uniquely human skills. Companies like Walmart offer clear pathways for employees to gain new skills and adapt to evolving roles. Partnerships with educational institutions and online platforms make learning accessible and relevant. Open communication from leadership is essential. Employees need to understand the company's AI strategy and see a place for themselves in the future. Involving workers in redesigning their jobs gives them agency and reduces resistance. Empathy and support are as important as training. When employees feel invested in, anxiety turns to enthusiasm and innovation. Managing the human side of change is the key to successful AI integration. The future workforce is empowered, adaptable, and ready to master new technology. The real challenge isn't adopting AI, but balancing its power with human ingenuity. AI excels at data and automation, but lacks empathy, ethics, and creativity. The future is a partnership, humans and machines working together, each playing to their strengths. Automation should elevate people, not replace them. Leaders must communicate a clear vision, invest in lifelong learning, and redesign rewards to value collaboration and human contribution. Supporting workers through change is essential to unlocking AI's full potential. The future of work is a human story. AI will reshape jobs, but people will shape the future. By putting people at the center, organizations become more creative, resilient, and human. Those who master this balance will lead in the age of AI. The next chapter of work belongs to those who blend technology with humanity.